Hey guys, this is Mr. Creative here, again with another video. So I'm going camping in 3 days, and I wanted to show you guys how to make some waterproof matches to put in your backpack survival kit so that you can have matches in case of an emergency. Say your backpack falls into a river or something, and you're able to get it out, but all your matches are now wet. Well, you can fix that with this one simple trick. You've probably seen this done on YouTube before, but it's still a really good thing to just make it as an individual video instead of like some whole life hack video. So things you're going to need for this is a tea light candle. You're also going to need a box of your matches, and just to make it easier to light the candle instead of a match, I'm going to use my Zippo lighter. So let's get right on to the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is light your tea light candle. And you're going to want to let it burn for a little while to get the wax starting to melt around the outside. One way to speed this up is to take the candle in your hand and turn the flame around to get some of the wax going everywhere, which helps to get the wax melted faster. Okay, now we got a pretty good little pool of wax down in there. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting, but I'll try to get it more focused. Now, I don't know if you can see the flame right now, but I'm going to take the tip of a match and I'm going to go to the pool where the wax is. I'm going to spin the match in the wax right now. I'm going to do this for 3 of them. Okay, so once you finish the last one, the first one that you did should be dry now, so you can give it a second coat. Okay, and once you've coated all your matches twice, then you can blow out your candle. Okay, so I'm going to do this part unedited so that you can see that this is actually all waterproofed. You can see I have 3 matches here that have been coated twice in the wax from the tea light candle. And I'm going to dip this one in the water right now. You can see it's in the water. This is the head of the match. It's in the water, okay? Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to scratch off the wax with my fingernail. Remember, I'm doing this unedited. Okay, now I'm going to move the water trough out of the way, and I'm going to take this striker right here, and you're going to see. There you go. Fire. Now keep in mind, that match was just in the water right there. I'll do it again so you can see it. Right here we have the water. Put the match head in the water. I'm going to actually drop the match straight into the water, push it to the bottom, everything like that, okay? Just dry it off real quick. Scrape off the wax with our fingernail. Okay, once we do that, then we can just strike it. And there you go. So that's how to waterproof a match. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget to stay creative.